Today is Tuesday, April 2nd, and this is your forecast for the western United States. And although the weather is dry for much of the west, there are lots of clouds that are still hanging to us, especially over the mountain regions, and even some higher elevation snow that's still going to be found here in the west. One of the big stories since yesterday really is the wind, and that wind is still with us this morning. It is making it feel quite a bit colder than what the thermometer says. And let's be honest, that number is low enough. So we're in the 40s around downtown Los Angeles. The wind chill closer to 40, even some upper 30s. It is cold this morning. It'll remain breezy this afternoon, but only in the mid 60s means it'll feel probably closer to 60 at best. So you definitely want the jacket today, and you're going to hold on to it probably all day long. Mainly clear skies, diminishing winds, and falling back to about 60 later on this evening. In San Diego, got that cold wind still going this morning. It remains this afternoon a pretty windy day, peaking just above 60 degrees, so it's probably going to feel like 55 to 60, and then mainly clear skies and falling back into the upper 50s later on this evening. So there's still low pressure that's hanging here over the southwestern United States, and whenever you get the wind pushing into a mountain, it's like walking into a wall, or pushing into a wall, I should say. So you got nowhere else to go but up in this case, and that rising motion causes clouds and showers. In the middle of the country, a strong area of low pressure is producing heavy snow on the cold side, severe weather on the warmer side, and then we got rain, some of it heavy at times, out ahead of all of that. So a very strong spring storm underway in the middle of the country. Lots of airport travel disruptions if you're heading in that direction. 64 today in Sacramento, 61 in Las Vegas, 66 in Phoenix. We got low to mid 60s from San Diego to Los Angeles, Oceanside, Santa Barbara, 60 in Bakersfield, 71 in Palm Springs, and 72 in Brawley. Here's a look at the 7-day forecast. We're going to, at least in Los Angeles, remain in the 60s tomorrow and Friday, and then a warm up just in time for the weekend. We're going to end up in the upper 70s Saturday and Sunday, and probably hang on to that into early next week. Not bad at all. All right, that is your Wednesday morning weather update. I hope the rest of the week treats you well. And remember that as long as you want there to be, there will always be a 100% chance of good things.